Hello. Come on in. Welcome to my sleep clinic. I heard you've been having some trouble falling asleep. Okay. That's totally okay. Do you have an appointment with us today? Okay, perfect. Let me get you checked in for your appointment and then we'll start everything going. Let me just get some information from you real quick. Is that okay? Okay, perfect. Can I get your name? And your last name? Date of birth? Can I get your last four of your socials? And what time was your appointment today? Okay, 3 o'clock. Perfect. That's the perfect resting hour. Yeah. Okay. So let me just ask you a couple questions real quick. What exactly issues are you having? Okay. Okay. That's totally normal. A lot of people have trouble falling asleep. Sometimes even like the normal, melatonin, and if you're feeling a little frisky, taking a shot before bed sometimes just doesn't do it for people, and that's totally okay. And that's why I opened up this passion project of mine, which is my Dreamland Sleep Clinic. Yeah, there hasn't been one patient that has came in looking for help from me that I haven't been able to help. So I assure you, you do not have to worry. When you leave, you will be perfectly sleeping at night. Yeah, okay. Let me put all that into our system real quick. Just give me like 2 minutes, please. 2 seconds. I do just want to tell you that I always start off with all of my patients. I want to make sure that you are comfy and relaxed. So I want to start off by saying that I want to give you this blanket. It's just a very cozy blanket that I have. It'll help you relax, make you feel at home. I want you to come in here and be very comfortable. So I'm just gonna give you this. I'm just gonna place it right there on your lap. Okay. The next thing I do is I always give my patients a couple things to snack on. I have a couple things here that I'll show you. The first thing is king size M&Ms. And you'll notice that all of them are king size. Everything that I have, except for one thing. And that is because we do not go off of how much you consume. You consume 2 bites of it. You can consume all of it. This is a safe place. And when you come to my clinic, this is safe. So you are free to be yourself here. thing I have is a Snicker bar, king size. And then the next thing is a Reese's. The last thing I have is some Teddy Grahams. Would you like one? Okay, that's a perfect choice. I'm just gonna put this The next thing I have is I do offer beverages too. I would hate for you to get thirsty while you're here. Yeah, we have water, I have soda. The only soda I have is Coke though. I hope that's okay. Okay, perfect. So I do have Coke here. I love Coke. It's my favorite. So this was a good choice. Would you like me to open it for you? I have a cup here, I can put it in. Okay, perfect. I'm just gonna pour it in this cup I have for you. How's that? Perfect. I'm just gonna place this right here. Perfect. There you go. Now you have your snacks, you have your drink, and you have your blanket. Relax. This is a safe haven. So I want to get started with just examining your face, seeing if there's anything that is a little bit off that I've noticed. I do have some gloves here that I'm gonna wear, so you don't have to worry about me touching your face with my hands. It's just precautionary thing that I always do. Just something I do. I have a lot of patients come in and out, and I just want to make sure that, you know, I'm sanitizing, using gloves and everything like I should. So I just have these gloves, and I'm just going to put them on. Now that I have my gloves on, I'm just going to examine your face. Is that alright if I touch on your face a little bit? I'm just feeling for any like lumps or abnormalities or anything that's out of place. Okay, perfect. Let's see. Touching your jaw. Ears, going behind your ears. Behind your eyes. Your cheeks. I'm just going to massage your head now. Is that okay? Okay, perfect. I'm just going to fill in your hair. On the side of your hair. I'm just going to go around a little bit to the side and fill around the other side of your head. Is that okay? Okay, perfect. Perfect. How does that feel? I don't feel anything that's out of place. Now I'm just going to go to the other side. I'm not feeling anything that's out of place on this side either. Okay, good, good. You're doing great. Now I just want to take a closer look at your skin and see if I see anything. Okay. I'm just going to take my little magnifying glass and take a closer look at your skin. To come in and look at your skin. Perfect. Perfect. I didn't see anything going on with your skin, so I know that it's not anything on the outside of your skin that's causing you to not be able to fall asleep at night. And now just want to see about the measurement between your eyes, the length of your nose, the length of your mouth when you smile, and your eyebrows, and from ear to ear. Is that okay? Perfect. So I'm just going to take my tape measure and measure between those things. So I'm going to measure between your eyes. Good. Good. The length of your nose. Good. Smile for me, real big. Good. Now I'm going to measure from ear to ear. Good, good. Now, didn't see anything wrong with that either. That's okay. I now want to test how your skin reacts when I just spray a little bit of water on it. This will be really relaxing. You don't have to worry. It's just water. It won't hurt or cause any type of irritation or anything. So all I want you to do is sit right there and relax. I'd like you to close your eyes. Take a deep breath and relax. I'm just gonna take my little water bottle here. So I'm just going to spray around your face. Good. Good. Okay. Your face reacted fine to it. I don't see any abnormalities to it. So last last thing I'm going to do is I do have this little brush, and I'm just going to test your reflexes with it. Perfect. So I just again want you to close your eyes and let me touch your face with this brush. You ready? Perfect. I have one last thing that I want to do since I'm testing your reflexes, and I just have a light here, and I'm just going to shine it in your eyes and see how your pupils react to it. Perfect. Okay, here we go. Good, good. Good, good. Perfect. It seems like you just have a little bit of a bolt loose in there. Yeah, it's just like right behind your eye right there on the side of your head, about where your temple is. I just have my little bolt fixer here, and I'm just going to go in there and fix that bolt. Is that okay? Yeah, I just want you to sit very still and relax. You can take a bite of your graham crackers if you'd like. Perfect. So let me just go in and I'll fix that for you. How does that feel? Good. I'm just going to tighten down this other one now. Perfect. How are you feeling? Great. Are you feeling tired? Are you feeling drowsy? You should be able to fall asleep now. Good. Let's close your eyes and drift away to your dreamlands.